Approaching OET Reading Part B. A step-by-step guide for ESL students. Introduction to OET Reading Part B. OET Reading Part B assesses your understanding of workplace texts. It evaluates your ability to extract key information from professional documents, like memos, emails, and reports. Part B consists of 6 short extracts, each containing approximately 100 to 140 words. For each extract, you'll be presented with one 3-option multiple-choice question that tests your comprehension. Understanding the format. Time limit. You have 45 minutes to complete this section. The time limit emphasizes the importance of efficient reading strategies. Question types. The multiple-choice questions require you to identify the most accurate answer based on the information provided in the text. Scoring. Each correct answer is worth 1 mark, and there are 6 questions in total. This means the maximum score for Part B is 6. Identifying key information. Skimming. Quickly read the text to get a general understanding of the topic and the main points. Scanning. Locate specific words or phrases relevant to the question using keywords and phrases. Focusing. Read closely the sentences that contain the key information required to answer the question. Recognizing vocabulary and structures. Vocabulary. Familiarize yourself with common workplace vocabulary and technical terms related to healthcare and other professions. Grammar. Practice recognizing sentence structures and grammatical patterns used in professional writing. Text organization. Understand how information is organized within texts, such as using headings, subheadings, and paragraphs. Practicing active reading strategies. Previewing the question before reading the text helps you focus on the specific information needed. Using a highlighter or pencil to mark key information in the text makes it easier to find the answers later. Summarizing the main points of each paragraph in your own words helps you to understand the text better. Applying critical thinking skills. Inference. Draw conclusions based on the information provided in the text, even if the answer is not explicitly stated. Deduction. Use logic and reasoning to eliminate incorrect answer choices and identify the most likely answer. Analysis. Break down the information into smaller parts and analyze the relationships between different pieces of text. Timing and pacing yourself. Time management. Allocate a specific amount of time to each extract and question to ensure you complete the section within the 45-minute time limit. Reading speed. Practice reading quickly and efficiently to skim and scan for the key information needed to answer each question. Eliminating distractions. Focus on the task at hand and avoid distractions that could hinder your reading speed and comprehension. Reviewing and revising responses. Reviewing. Once you have answered all the questions, take a few minutes to review your responses and make sure you are satisfied with your answers. Revising. If you have time, reread the extracts and questions to double-check your answers and ensure that they are consistent with the information provided. Confidence. Trust your instincts and choose the answer that seems most logical and supported by the text. Strategies for improving comprehension. Practice. Regularly practice reading workplace texts in English. Find authentic materials from the healthcare field or related industries. Vocabulary. Expand your English vocabulary, particularly terms related to healthcare and the OET exam. Feedback. Seek feedback from experienced teachers or tutors who can help you identify your strengths and weaknesses. Analyze. After completing practice tests or questions, analyze your mistakes and understand why you chose incorrect answers. We hope these steps empower you to boost your Reading Part B score. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video, packed with expert OET preparation tips to help you succeed.